going to love the 2015 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Come take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.